sets Thinkcloudly apart is they give you value.
They have expertise, actually. They have great people to train as well, and good content in terms of what they offer.
This is a place where I would want to build knowledge or even recommend to others in IT to get into the job market.
I feel like a little confident than I was before.
Like good knowledge skills and the good people.
Thinkcloudly is the best source in terms of grooming people into the tech field.
We are here in London and we had a great opportunity to interact with the IT aspirants who want to get into this IT field, coming from various different non-IT fields like healthcare, construction workers. It gives us the opportunity as the business to talk to students, discuss about their real problems, and also provide them solutions in terms of a lot of programs what Thinkcloudly offers. And that is something which is important for every student to succeed in their career.